Hey, it's Kip here. Well, thanks for tuning in today. Today we're going to be talking about some Mig Wire. Actually, some really good deal on some Mig Wire. You know, if you're an everyday welder, if you're just a hobbyist or whatever. I'm more of a hobbyist. Over the years, I've done a lot of Jeeps and off-road type builds and stuff like that. You can see some of my builds in some of the older videos. Currently, I'm working on a kettle corn cooker, and so if you do a little bit of wire welding or a lot of wire welding, I found a really good deal on some old 35. I really like for the money. I use a Hobart 190 with 75-25 mix. It works good for everything that I do. I mean, I got an AC/DC stick welder for anything real super heavy, but this does pretty much everything I need to do. This Hobart welder, I'm real happy with it. But the wire around here where I live is expensive. If I buy the Hobart or the Lincoln, it's like $49 for a 12-pound, 11-pound roll. You know, sometimes you can get it for 45, but it's just too expensive. This is that Washington Alloy Company, and these are 11-pound rolls. I got 2 of these shipped to my house for $39 and change on eBay. It's from a welding supply on eBay. If you just Google it, get on eBay, you'll find it. Maybe I'll put the link below if I can still find it, but 39 bucks for 2 rolls shipped. This stuff runs really well. Now, I turn my gas up to about 20. Normally on a Lincoln or the Hobart stuff, I can run it about 15, but now with this stuff, it really burns a lot nicer at about 20 on the setting, and seems to work really well for me. But for the money, guys, for 20 bucks a roll, for 11 pounds, you can't go wrong, guys. Check this company out. They're no sponsor of me or anything. It's just I want to share with you guys if I find a really good deal on some welding wire. This stuff burns really good. I run 0.35 on everything, from really thin stuff, you know, all the way up to 1/4 inch plate, whatever, 1/2 inch plate. And then I'll obviously after that use my stick welder. But this stuff works really well. Here, I'll kind of hold it still for you, maybe you can read some of that. But they got a website and stuff, but instead of ordering directly from them, there's a lot of people on eBay and even Amazon, I believe, you can order this stuff. The shipping is the biggest deal. I mean, they ship 2 of these to my house for under 40 bucks. And it was a medium USPS box, so I know I ship a lot of stuff, and I know they probably got $10 in shipping, so I don't know how they can do it. But anyways, guys, if you're looking for a good wire, Mig Wire for the money, you can't go wrong with this stuff, guys. It works really well. So anyways, guys, just a short, quick video to share with you guys. If I find a smoking deal and stuff like this, I love to share it with you guys. If you guys save a buck, everybody saves a buck, everybody's happy. So stay tuned for a lot more fab videos. I got some more projects in the work, and obviously the kettle corn cooker, it's almost done, and it's going to be soon here. We're going to do a little update, and then we're going to do the first pop in the upcoming week or 2 here. We're still fighting the weather here in northern Michigan. One day it's 65, next day we got 1 to 3 inches of snow, so we're trying to get through all that. But anyways, guys, as always, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.